if upper management is engaged and using the platform, you'll have engagement with the rest of your team. 2 would be to figure out a problem they're trying to solve, set it up in KaiNexus for them, and show them how it can help them.
So when we first launched KaiNexus, we started off with a pilot group, and just focused on one team, worked with KaiNexus to develop the basics of the system, what we wanted to look like, and how we wanted to do it. With feedback from this pilot team,
we used a multi-pronged approach, about 4 to 6 weeks between groups. We did start with some pilots. We then began to use office hours, as was suggested by KaiNexus, as a way for people that were struggling to call in during certain hours of the day.
It was staged, and that was at the recommendation from KaiNexus. They warned us about maybe going too large too quick. And so we started off with that pilot group, and it was a great opportunity to engage and learn and adapt.